In this data analytics Excel series, we are going to learn about flash fill. So the flash fill is a feature that is available in Excel that automatically fills the values based on the pattern that we type. It works when Excel detects a consistent pattern in the data. For example, if I'm typing Monday, then Tuesday. So now the Excel can understand the pattern. So just click on these two rows, and whenever the plus symbol is visible, just drag it down. So you could see that the Excel understand the pattern of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and one after the other day it should fill. So it has been filled. Suppose if I enter some number as 25, 30. So now it sees the pattern as 5 number as the difference. So if you just click on these two numbers, and whenever the plus symbol is visible, just drag it down. You could see that 5 numbers jump from one after other has been populated in the data. In the next example, we could see that there is a first name and the last name. So now if I want to create an email ID with the full name as John Smith dot the last name's first letter S at abc.com. So the second row should have Anita Roy dot or at abc.com. Then third row should have Michael Johnson dot j at abc.com. So instead of writing manually, we can just drag this. So you could see that the same value has been populated, but in the last you could see here the box autofill options. Click on here and click flash fill. So you could see that the Excel has learned the pattern from the row John Smith. In this, the first name and the last name dot the last name's first letter with the company name. So this pattern has been learned and it has been populated for all the rows as well. So this is all about flash fill.